Hello everyone, it's Rachel here. I just wanted to show you these new needle books. They are some needle books that I designed for a course I had to do here in Italy, and when I participated in a sewing it was an embroidery market in a villa in Verona, and so I designed these to do as my course. And so I have some kits left over, and I've been wanting to put the pattern into my Etsy shop, but I thought as there's a few different variations of these needle books, I felt like possibly this was a good course to do, and I feel like even somebody who's new to sewing would easily be able to make one of these. They are totally hand sewn, there's no machine, and they're incredibly relaxing and fun to make. So these are the different needle books that I made as my samples, and I only put one piece of felt inside just because we had a limited amount of time for the course, but you could sew in 3 or 4 pages in as you like. And then it's all hand stitch, as I said, and there are many different ways that you can do them. So I thought I'll do a course, and what will happen is when you purchase it on Etsy, it will be a video course, okay? So not so much a written pattern, but a video. So when you'll receive a PDF file with instructions and materials and what have you. You'll also, when you make your purchase, while stocks last, receive a free kit. The kit is for free. I'm not adding that onto the price of the video course. So that means I'll be shipping it, and you'll be getting the fabrics for free. And that's only while stocks last. Once they run out, the course will remain the same price because it's a video course, but you'll use your own supplies. So I have quite a lot of kits because I love combining fabrics. They're all coordinated, and I went a little bit crazy making them, so because I so enjoyed it. So there are quite a few kits available. And so you'll receive the PDF file with the list of videos in order to watch, and that way you'll be able to follow the course. And you can, even that the kits probably will take 2 weeks to arrive if you're in the States, or in Australia maybe even a little bit longer. If you're in the UK or Europe, probably a week or 5 days. But you could always start with your own materials before the kits arrive, so because you'll still have access to the videos. So I'll be putting the videos up privately on YouTube, and then you'll have the link to be able to access them when you make the purchase. So I'll just show you the kits of these. They're very, very nice, my typical style. There's more in each kit than what you actually need, so they're really, really, really great, and I've color coordinated them. So when you check out, maybe just say if you want mixed colors, more natural colors, pinks, blues, and if I can satisfy what you would like, then I will. Like that, I would consider more naturals. This is probably more, little bit of blue and purple and naturals. This one I would consider probably more predominantly blue. This is a mixed, I think. This is also a mixed one here. So this one I made with a mixed bundle. This one I made with one that's probably a bit natural and more predominantly blue. And then this is done with one that's more natural. And I'll just show you inside. And they all have trims, everything that you need to be able to finish them off. This is what I would consider a blues. This is also a blues, and then this I would consider a naturals. So that is what you're going to get when you purchase the course. You will receive, I'll just go through it again, a PDF with the links to the videos, and also your supplies and written instructions, and then and in the mail you will also receive your kit. So I hope you have the courage and try and do some stitching. It's probably more slow stitching than anything else. And I hope you enjoy the course. Thank you. Bye.